There's one thing that decides whether your surgery is safe or risky.
That's a very important part of plastic surgery.
Find out what it is.
What questions should a Canadian or a US patient ask a plastic surgeon in Mexico before they decide to go with them?
The first question I would ask, as I said, putting me as I'm the patient and putting myself in their shoes, is first if you are board certified. That's a very important part of plastic surgery, seeing that you actually have the training and the job done in the safest place possible. So first question would be, are you board certified? And be actually looking at their certification. You can go to the Mexican Association of Plastic Surgery and you can look for your doctor at their webpage. You just put in the name or the certification or the location you're at. For example, if you're looking for a plastic surgery in Cabo, you put Cabo and put my name and I'll come out. I'm also in Guadalajara because I'm from there and my surgical training was done in Guadalajara. But that would be the first step. As I said, the best surgery is the safe surgery. Are you board certified plastic surgeon? That would be my first question. Number two would be, where am I getting my surgery done? Which hospital? So you were able to see that we actually have the best facilities for you with the best technology, the best equipment, the best instruments, the best sutures, the best doctors that will make you feel safe and that will have everything for you if needed. We perform our surgeries in a very good hospital and we don't require all of the facilities, but we have them at our disposal if needed. And number three is how the process works with you. Am I getting blood work done? Am I meeting who's my anesthesiologist? Am I getting checked for a health condition? And that all makes a safe surgery. The first step, as not in plastic surgery, I guess in any surgery, a doctor comes to you and says, oh, you have to go to surgery. I guess your first question, any type of surgery, is, am I going to be okay? Am I going to come out of this? The first point of every surgery is your safety. So you have to check credentials of the doctor, credentials of the hospital, how the process is done, the experience the doctor has, and all that will come and make it the safe surgery so you can come get your surgery in a good manner and then you'll be able to go home without any inconvenience.
And what would be some red flags a patient should watch out for?
Some red flags. Anyone else not calling themselves board certified plastic surgeons. That's not a problem just in Mexico. I know that's a problem pretty much in the whole world. Here in Mexico, to be able to do plastic surgery, you have to go to medical school, general surgery, plastic surgery training, and that takes a lot of years. There's no such thing as a cosmetic surgeon, as a beauty surgeon. That doesn't exist. So make sure that would be the major red flag. Also not providing you with the info of where are you getting your surgery done, that you're not getting your surgery done in a good hospitals with whole credentials, with a high level of certifications. And that would be my two major concerns from the staff that's performing surgery and where are you performing surgery.
Does Medcial Tourism Corporation vetting for such factors while selecting surgeons and hospital help the patient, and if yes, how?
Yes, because in the Medcial Corporation, you always check that we have the highest grade of certifications, training and everything, that everything will be done as it's supposed to be done. So getting your surgery done through us here would provide you with a good, safe feeling that everything's done accordingly.